CSA Power Solutions is a leader and innovator in critical power systems with over 30 years of industry experience. We provide a comprehensive portfolio of affordable critical power products and service solutions, from equipment sales, rental, and emergency service to complete design and implementation of your critical power systems. Our professional support team delivers expert critical power equipment support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week throughout the U.S. and Canada.
CSA Power Solutions is based in Clearwater, Florida. We are a nationwide critical power solutions provider. We work and we call ourselves a critical power solutions provider. So often customers will have multiple product sets. So in emergency path, we look at it as the UPS system. Obviously there's batteries connected to that UPS, so we work on batteries, but we work on transfer switches, paralleling switchgear, generators, and other products that allow companies to stay up and running, during an outage and a critical event. In addition to those services, we do thermography, infrared scannings of the equipment we talked about earlier, but also panel boards, switchboards, PDUs, and those type of downstream devices that keep the critical loads working. We also can do breaker testing in facilities. So there is more than just a UPS vendor here. We're providing clear critical power solutions.
The largest investment in the techs is training. A lot of money is spent in the technical training, the safety, and using the systems that we have to help them keep good record. And this entire system is online. At a click of the button, it links them to the tech library. They have access to the manuals and documentation, PM procedures. So all of that, of course, is very important to them. A click or two of the mouse, and they have access to the technical information they need to do their work.
The experience they get at CSA is on multi-vendor products. UPSs, for example, we'll have any UPS that we have under contract today. We have an example of one of those in our warehouse, so they get specific training on that equipment. But in addition to that, once they go through our CSA training, they will also often go to OEM training. And that takes us into the fact that we have good working relationships with manufacturers, which we call OEMs. And that OEM relationship is critical to the value we bring to our customers. In the OEM relationship, we're often authorized service providers for them, so they ask us to go out and work for them at their customer sites. And then in return, we can get the OEM specific training we need. And in addition to that, we can buy products from them, and those products we can have competitive pricing so that we can deliver a solution to our customers. In the field service side, it's critical to have that working relationship with the OEMs. A lot of third parties often compete with the OEMs, and because of that, it's harder to get the parts and the training that you need. And because we have more of a partnership with the OEMs, reciprocating relationship, we have the value and we can get parts, and when our customers need them, we can deliver them in a timely fashion. So it's about understanding the customer, and one of the reasons we've grown over the last 5 to 6 years is because we've been able to work with our customers on understanding where they are today, where they're going, and maybe what products they need to help them get to where they're going. And so when we're asked to help a client upgrade their critical power solutions, or they're putting in a new building and they need our assistance, what we will do is we'll do a walkthrough with the customer and sit down with them and look at what their needs are. And so we'll help them design the solution for their application. So that could include placing a generator in a particular location outside their building. It could involve where are we going to put the UPS system and what size in their facility, and really truly understanding their load today and where they're going so that we design everything correctly for where they're at today and also where they're going. We see ourselves as a partner or an extension of our customers. If we can build that working relationship through competitive pricing, through value and quality on both the purchasing and procurement side, but also on the field service side, then the customers know that we're trying to provide them with a great solution and meet their needs because we understand their needs.
To learn more about how the critical power experts at CSA can cost-effectively address all of your critical power needs, visit csapower.net.